W requires a constant current power source. Decide which current type, AC or DC, you need and the maximum amperage needed. Generally, carbon, stainless, and alloy steels are welded with DC. Aluminum and magnesium are welded with AC at high frequency. Position the equipment so that it is accessible but protected. There should be good air circulation and the environment should be free of dust, dirt, and explosive or corrosive fumes. Place the workpiece clamp properly to prevent damage to surrounding equipment. Energize the power source by plugging it into an electrical outlet or engine-driven generator. To connect the shielding gas, follow these steps. Step 1. Remove the protective cap from the gas cylinder and open the valve slightly to blow out any dirt, then close it. Step 2. Install the regulator or combination regulator or flow meter on the cylinder and connect the gas hose to the flow meter and to the gas solenoid. Step 3. Make sure the flow meter adjusting valve is closed. Step 4. Very slowly open the cylinder valve slightly. After the pressure gauge indicates the cylinder pressure and that it is stable, open the valve completely. So follow these steps to set the gas flow rate. Step 1. Start the gas flow by manually opening the hand valve on the torch. Step 2. Set the gas flow by turning the flow metering adjustment knob out until the ball inside the glass tube rises to the desired flow rate. Step 3. When the proper gas flow has been achieved, close the valve on the torch to stop the gas flow. Step 4. Check for leaks before starting to weld. So, the GTAW tungsten-based electrode must be selected and shaped before it's installed in the torch. Select the type of GTAW electrode recommended for the welding current required by the base metal. Select the size of the electrode rated for the amperage to be used. All electrode tips, new and used, must then be shaped in the different types of GTAW. Welding required differently shaped electrode tips. For manual DCEN welding, the tip of the electrode should be tapered and blunted. This can be done by heating the tip and dipping it into a tungsten sharpening powder. To grind the tip to the desired shape, hold the tungsten electrode against the grinder at a 30-degree angle with the wheel or belt surface. Then slowly rotate the electrode and move it side to side so it's ground away evenly. To create a ball for lower amperage, DCEP welding, the end should be tapered about 2 diameters in length and be blunt. A ball will form on the blunt end when welding. For manual AC welding, arc the electrode over clean copper or another clean metal to create a ball. There are a range of nozzle sizes and styles available for any given torch to accommodate different electrode sizes and welding applications. The nozzle must be sized for the electrode diameter to be used and for any unique welding requirements. The nozzle diameter must be large enough to cover the entire area with shielding gas. To select the right size and shape nozzle, always refer to the manufacturer's nozzle recommendations for the torch being used. Install the nozzle before the electrode because the electrode stickout is measured from the end of the nozzle.